So, have you heard about this case in Kentucky? A former sheriff is accused of killing a judge.
Yes, I saw the news. It's a shocking story. I can't imagine what the community is going through.
The sheriff's defense team is saying that there's more to the story than meets the eye. They're suggesting that the shooting might have been a result of something that happened on the judge's phone.
That's a very interesting theory. It's possible that something on the phone triggered the sheriff's actions.
It's all speculation at this point. The police are still analyzing the phones, but it's clear that there's a lot we don't know yet.
It's a complex case with many layers. It's going to take time to piece together all the facts.
The community is in shock. This is a small town where everyone knows each other. It's hard to imagine something like this happening here.
It's a reminder that violence can happen anywhere. It's important to remember that everyone is going through their own struggles, and we need to be more understanding and compassionate.
I agree. This case is a tragedy for everyone involved. It's a reminder of the importance of justice and the need to address the root causes of violence.
It's also a reminder of the importance of mental health. We need to make sure that people who are struggling have access to the resources they need.
This case is going to be closely watched. The trial is going to be a long and difficult process. It's going to be interesting to see how it all unfolds.
I hope that justice is served. It's important that the truth comes out, no matter how difficult it may be.
It's a small town, and everyone seems to know everyone. The judge was well respected, and the sheriff was a familiar face. It's just so tragic.
Absolutely. It's hard to comprehend what could have driven the sheriff to do something like that.
The details are still emerging, but it seems like there was some kind of conflict between them. There was a lawsuit involving the sheriff's office and a deputy who was accused of sexual assault. The judge was involved in that case.
That's a very disturbing detail. It sounds like there might be a connection between the lawsuit and the shooting.
It's possible. The sheriff's defense team is looking into that angle. They're trying to understand what happened in the moments leading up to the shooting. There's video footage that shows the sheriff making phone calls before the incident.
I'm sure the police are investigating every possible lead. It's important to get to the bottom of this.
The video footage is chilling. It shows the sheriff pulling out a gun and shooting the judge multiple times. It's hard to watch.
I can only imagine how difficult it must be for the judge's family and friends to see that. It's a reminder of the senselessness of violence.